All right, tech droppers, get ready because your mind is about to be blown. Google just dropped something absolutely insane at Google I/O that's going to change everything you thought about design. Meet Google Stitch. This is a fully free AI-powered tool that lets you create beautiful, functional UI and UX designs just by using text prompts. No complex software needed to start. It's powered by the seriously smart Gemini AI, specifically Gemini 2.5 Flash for standard designs and Gemini 2.5 Pro for experimental image variations. Okay, let's jump right into how this magic works. First, you need to head over to stitch.withgoogle.com. It's easy, just create a quick account. Once you're in, make sure you select the standard mode. This mode, powered by Gemini 2.5 Flash, is what we'll use today to generate our UI/UX designs. Now for the fun part, generating your design. You see this prompt box? This is where you tell Stitch what you want. And look, you can choose if you want a design for mobile or for the web. Let's try a classic tech example from the source. Design a threaded discussion forum with upvoting and downvoting features, kinda like Facebook. Type prompt, design a threaded discussion forum with upvoting and downvoting features like a Facebook type of things. Select mobile and hit Generate Design. Whoa, look at that! In just seconds, Stitch has generated a professional-looking mobile design for a forum. You can see the upvote-downvote icons, replies, even that nested comment structure. It's taking your idea and making it a visual reality instantly. And get this, you're not limited to just one page. By adjusting your prompt, you can ask Stitch to generate multiple screens for complex flows, like a multi-page planner or dashboard. Now you have this amazing design, what can you do with it? Two incredible options right here. Option number 1, import directly into Figma. Just click the Figma button, it copies the design to your clipboard, and you simply paste it into Figma. From there, you can edit literally anything you want. Option number 2, get the full source code. Click the code button, and there it is, the complete code for your design. This is huge. You could take this code or the Figma design and hand it straight to an AI coder like Cursor, Winder, or VS Code with GitHub Copilot to start building immediately. Design to code faster than ever. Want to make it match your brand? Easy! Stitch lets you edit the theme. You can change colors, adjust corner radius, pick fonts, and switch between light and dark themes. Let's quickly change the main color from blue to green, just like in the example from the source. Hit Apply Theme, and boom! The design updates instantly. Seriously? Think about the power here. You can get a professional UI/UX design based on your ideas in moments for absolutely free. You can generate designs for both web and mobile and get them ready for development almost instantly. This tool could potentially reduce or even eliminate the need to hire a dedicated designer for initial concepts or simple projects. You just focus on your logic and Stitch handles the visuals. It's truly a game changer for creators and developers alike. Google Stitch is making UI/UX design accessible and unbelievably fast. We've gone through generating designs, getting them into Figma or code, and customizing them. This is just the beginning. Stay subscribed to Tech Drop for more deep dives into the latest AI and tech that are reshaping how we work and create.